Hello friend. XPath for iframe elements and for iframe. So it's very simple and straightforward. There is no difference writing in XPath for iframes and iframe elements. It's same as we write XPath for other elements, normal elements. Just that while handling these elements in our automation script, there we have to switch inside iframe and then we interact. Otherwise, in XPath writing, there is no difference. And let me give you an example. So here suppose, and if you like, okay, first when you will inspect, how will you get to know that this element is inside iframe or not? So just inspect the element, and here in the DOM you see if the inspected element is inside iframe tag, then that means that element is inside iframe. So with the bare eyes sometimes it becomes difficult, but here you can see that yes, it is not inside any iframe. Okay, but if it is inside any iframe, if any element is inside iframe, how you will get to know that? Let's inspect this element here. So this button, now let's see if it is inside iframe. Just you will have to scroll the DOM. So yes, you see that this is inside this iframe. So that means the element which we have inspected here is inside iframe. Now how selector sub has made it easy, so it is like, because every time it is tough to like scroll in the DOM and see, so you just open selector sub here. It will let you know that this element is inside iframe. And here how can we write the XPath for iframe? So you just start typing here, and you see you would be able to write and verify the XPath for iframe elements. And we have to write the XPath for iframe inside which this element lies, this iframe. So you just inspect this element here, and this is not inside iframe, so you can, basically this is iframe tag, so it will be normal element, and the element which is inside iframe, that will go here. And if you want to like save time here, so you can see that selector sub itself gives you the iframe XPath as well as XPath and all the selectors for the inspected element here, so that you can use. So it is very simple, straightforward. If I turn it off, so you see you just inspect the element, and if the inspected element is inside this iframe tag, that you will have to check it in the DOM. Otherwise in selector sub by default it will tell you, so no need to worry. So this is how you can handle you can write the XPath for iframe elements, and you can verify. It's same logic for XPath, there's no difference. Okay, so yes, that's all about iframe and iframe elements XPath. Next tutorial we will learn how to handle the dynamic elements which disappear from the DOM. Okay, yeah, thank you.